What's going on, guys? Welcome to this video, and in today's video I just wanted to talk a little bit about how Facebook advertising really works. And I wanted to talk about this because most people, they misunderstood this. They believe that running ads is simply just placing an ad, a video, an image, some copy, and magically they're gonna start getting results, big results. They're gonna start being profitable. But this doesn't work like this, okay? First of all, you might get a few sales, maybe you're gonna get a few leads, but if you know your number, which is something really important, and I'm telling you this myself, this is a big mistake I did when I was getting started. I didn't knew my numbers, okay? So I was getting sales, I believe I was being profitable, but at the end of the day, after doing the numbers, I realized that I wasn't being profitable on my ad campaigns. Okay, so super important that you know your numbers before running ads. Okay, now if you believe that just running an ad and you're just getting sales, first of all, you're gonna realize that you're not being profitable at some point, right? Now, also, it's important that you understand that the main goal of Facebook ads is to show your offer, show your business, service, products to your ideal audience the fastest way possible. So this is the main goal of Facebook ads: showing your ads, showing your offer to your ideal customers. So instead of the customer going and find you, you're gonna show up to them right away. Simple as that. Now, how you gonna start being profitable? Take in mind that it's several things that you need to have in place. For instance, you need to have a good sales funnels in place, a good website, a well-optimized website that can help you persuade the user to get your product or service, and a good email marketing follow-up, a good email marketing campaign, because you need to understand that most people, they're not ready to buy your products the first time they see you, or the first time they see you offer. They're not ready to buy just yet, okay? But this doesn't mean that they won't buy in the future. So you need to follow up with those potential customers. How you can do that? By having a email marketing campaign follow-up, okay? So this can also help you build trust with your audience. Now, what else you need? You need to have a good content on your social media. Remember, content is what's gonna help you close the gap between having a non-paying customer to getting a paying customer, okay? That small gap is closed by having good content, okay? Super important. And yeah, I believe those are the most important one. A good copywriting. So in a nutshell, it's just having multiple things of the puzzle. You need to put them together, and then this is how you're gonna start getting good results, being profitable, and you're gonna start seeing your business grow fast. Okay, so basically this is what I wanted to share with you today, how Facebook advertising really works and what is the main goal of Facebook ad. You're showing your ads to your ideal customer the fastest way possible. Simple as that. Now it's up to you to have all these things together in order to being successful with Facebook advertising. Okay, now I want to invite you guys to my training. This is ideal for you. You're getting started with Facebook ads. You want to know how the platform really works. So this is really going to help you understand how to take into consideration different metrics that most people, especially beginners, they forget about, and it can hurt your ad results if you don't take in consideration these metrics. And in general, it's going to help you get started with Facebook advertising, also about sales funnels, learning a little bit more about how they work and how you can create your online presence if something that you're looking for, which is something that I highly suggest you to build your online presence. Now, what you basically have to do is just go to jordanvelazquez.com/trainings and get access to my free training there. Now, if you don't want to deal with anything of these guys, you want to focus on another aspect of your business where you feel that you are more productive there and that you like more, you don't want to deal with anything of marketing, automation, all these things, you can let us do this work for you. And you simply have to go to jordanvelasquez.com/call, schedule a call to talk with me, and let's see how I can help you out. Let's see what you're struggling with, let's see what you want to achieve, what are your goals, and we're gonna find out if we're going to be a good fit to work together. Okay, so basically that's it for this one, guys. See you in the next one.